Hey there everyone, welcome to Behind the Science. Today, we're going to talk about something amazing. It is all around us, but we cannot see it. It helps us play games, watch videos, and learn new things online. It connects us to the whole wide world. What is this invisible wonder? It is called Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is like magic, but it is pure science. Imagine you want to send a message to a friend. Normally you might use a wire, like a telephone line, but Wi-Fi does this without any wires at all. It uses invisible waves to send information. This means you can move around with your computer, tablet, or phone. No more tripping over long, messy cables. Think about all the places you use Wi-Fi, at home, school, cafes, and libraries. It lets you connect to the internet almost anywhere, making our lives easier and more fun. Wi-Fi is a super important part of our modern world. It is a technology that has truly changed everything. So how does this Wi-Fi magic actually work? It all starts with radio waves. These are the same kind of waves that bring music to your radio. Wi-Fi uses special radio waves to send data. Data is just another word for information, like the words in an email or the pictures in a video. These waves travel through the air silently and invisibly. Imagine you are skipping a stone across a calm pond. Each skip creates ripples or waves in the water. Wi-Fi signals are a bit like those ripples, but they travel through the air. This device is usually your Wi-Fi router. It sends out these information-packed waves. Your phone or laptop then catches these waves. Wi-Fi signals use specific frequencies to travel, like different radio station channels. Wi-Fi often uses frequencies like 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. The 2.4 gigahertz band can travel further and through walls better, but can be slower or more crowded. The 5 gigahertz band is usually faster and less crowded, but does not go through walls quite as well. Sometimes these Wi-Fi waves can get blocked. Thick walls can make the signal weaker. Other electronic devices like microwave ovens can interfere. Understanding this helps us place our routers in good spots for the best, strongest, and speediest Wi-Fi connection. Let's talk about the heart of your Wi-Fi network. This little box with blinking lights is a Wi-Fi router. It connects all your wireless devices to the internet. The router creates Wi-Fi signals from your internet connection. It broadcasts these signals around your house. The router is like a bridge or gateway. It needs a modem to talk to your internet service provider. The router manages all your devices, ensuring data gets to the right place. It's like an air traffic controller for data. Your router is the hero of your home network. How does your funny cat video get from the internet to your phone? It happens by breaking down information into tiny pieces called data packets. Think of it like sending a long letter using many small postcards. Each postcard has a bit of the message and an address. Your device sends a request using Wi-Fi waves to the router. The router sends that request to the internet via the modem. The internet finds the video, breaks it into data packets, and labels each packet. These packets travel back to your router, which beams them to your phone. This process happens incredibly fast. Thousands, even millions of these packets can be sent every second. Your device collects all these packets and puts them back together. And voila! Your cat video plays smoothly. Wi-Fi seems so modern, but its roots go way back. The idea of sending information without wires is not new. Scientists like Nikola Tesla dreamed of wireless power and data. And in the 1940s, during World War II, a famous actress helped. Her name was Hedy Lamarr. She was a movie star, but also a brilliant inventor. She co-invented a frequency hopping system to guide torpedoes without enemies jamming the signal. Fast forward to the 1970s and 1980s, companies started experimenting more with wireless local area networks. These were early versions of what we now call Wi-Fi. Then in the 1990s, something big happened in Australia. Scientists at CSIRO were working on making wireless signals work better indoors. They developed a key technology to clean up those messy, bounced-around signals. This made indoor wireless communication much more reliable. Their work became a really important part of how Wi-Fi works today. In 1997, a standard called 802.11 was created, setting rules for how Wi-Fi devices should talk. In 1999, the Wi-Fi Alliance was formed to promote the technology and test products. And that is how Wi-Fi started its journey, from early ideas to the amazing tech we use every single day. Ready for some more mind-blowing Wi-Fi facts? We already learned Wi-Fi does not officially stand for wireless fidelity. It was chosen because it sounded like hi-fi, which means high-quality sound. The Wi-Fi Alliance wanted a user-friendly name. How far can a Wi-Fi signal actually reach? Well, that depends on your router and the surroundings. A typical home router might cover a whole house, about 150 feet or 46 meters indoors. Outdoors with no walls, it can go much further. Some powerful, specialized Wi-Fi systems can send signals for miles, but things like walls, metal objects, and even water, like in fish tanks, can weaken or block those precious Wi-Fi signals. Let's talk about keeping your Wi-Fi safe, because Wi-Fi signals travel through the air. Anyone nearby could try to listen. That is why we have Wi-Fi passwords and security. This encrypts your data, scrambling it up. Always use strong, unique passwords for your Wi-Fi, and use the latest security, like WPA3 if your router supports it. Wi-Fi has become the invisible thread connecting our digital lives. It is truly a technology that has changed our world profoundly. Wi-Fi is pretty amazing stuff. It has changed how we learn, work, play, and communicate. Imagine trying to do your homework without easy internet access, or trying to run a business without wireless connections. Wi-Fi makes video calls with family far away possible. It lets us stream movies on a rainy day. It gives us instant access to a universe of information. Wi-Fi is a key player in the Internet of Things, IoT. Everyday objects like your thermostat, doorbell, watch, and even shoes are getting connected. These devices can talk to each other and to the internet using Wi-Fi. The future of Wi-Fi looks even more exciting. Newer versions like Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 promise faster speeds and better handling of lots of connections at once. Think about crowded places like stadiums or airports. Future Wi-Fi will help everyone stay connected smoothly. Wi-Fi is a fantastic example of how science and engineering work together. It takes brilliant ideas and turns them into useful technology that touches almost every part of our lives. So next time you log on, remember the amazing science of Wi-Fi. Consider the cosmos.